file. Over to my right, the workshop where we build all the trains. We have 5 trains, 3 passenger trains, 2 with we'll just go slow through these points. If you have a look right up to my left, you'll see a big platform up there. That's for the zip lines. We have 8 zip lines. The stream we're going to cross, we cross 4 times on our journey. That stream runs down to the sea. Up to my right, platform. Across to my left, platform. Down to my right, one of our clay pits, that's terracotta clay, used for making large sculptures, pots, cups, mugs, plates, terracotta clay. Down to my left, number 2 bridge, we just crossed over. Look at the height we gained from that spiral. So 2 spirals, 10 bridges, 5 reverse points, 3 tunnels, and the Eyefull Tower.
又要侄子了。
然后司机又要来我们前面了。
啊，我又到第一。
又到第一个了哈，好好玩。
你看这怎么做的？以前那个或者怎么把这个火车
一叔又来了。
It's an easy way to get up a hill just to get there. Up here on my left, behind that point, you can look down there. You'll see two sets of rails. Look at the height to gain on this little thing. Only way to gain height in this area. Have a photo opportunity if you'd like one. In a few seconds, two on my right. This is Helen Mason Long. She was a very famous potter. She's lived in the early days. That is natural spring.
Look out the window.
隧道。
Around a great big horseshoe comes up the top area as well.
那你等会儿咱们就要从上面走了，是吧？肯定又是个之字了。
I made a nose. As you can see here, there's the work building a railway.
Oh.
That little train pulled up the zipline. We're on our upper spiral. When we hop on the bridge, not a bad photo, but they get better and better, so there we go.
哎，宝贝，你看咱们走到上面了，看。
In a few seconds, over to my right, the Heritage Golf, one of the islands, that's Cove Island. Behind that Waiheke, behind
那里可以
Waiheke.
变边。
Right, coming through the tunnel, very slow. Like being inside a wine barrel. going to stop here for a few minutes if you like a photo, then we'll hop back in, we'll go to the tower, spend more time.
This one.
又是个桥哎。
This is our third best view at the road. Okay, we'll go up to our second best view.
Oh, 你看这个。
Wow, look at it. We're going to be right on the edge. You look at it, it's going to be right on the edge.
Oh.
I'm not get scared of heights.
And we're going up there. When we get up to the tower, we travel just under 3 kilometres. All our trains are there. So one man laid and bent all the rail himself. Started down the car park when he was 40. Finished up at the tower when he was 73. He helped design all the trains, tunnel bridges, the tower, and he surveyed where to go as well. So he gives us a plan. He says he wants trains built, tunnels, bridges, tower. So there's 5 of us. We do all the building for him, but he lays beds the rail, and he surveys where to go as well. Barry Brickell is New Zealand's first New Zealand-born full-time potter. How can I get the clam fibres down to build a railway? Swapped a lot of beer for rail from the coal mines that shutting down in the 80s. Got a lot more than he thought he was going to get, so he thought he'd go higher. This is the Eyefull Tower. This is the very end of the 60-acre property.